You own a business looking to create awesome website for it. Then don't worry, I got you covered. I introduced you Gbope Cash TV. They will take your business to the next level with amazing and stunning designs. Gbope Cash are expert in services like graphic designing. They will create for you the most unique designs you have ever seen. They also specialize in mobile and desktop app developing. Just bring to them your ideas and they will execute for you within a short possible time. Social media and online marketing is another service they render. They will help your business connect to people through all social media sites, which includes YouTube growth and monetization. They also specialize in video ads design.
This is another wonderful day. Today is one of the days that I loved. When the environment looks so nice like this, I know you will love it as well. And when you're hearing my voice like this, you know I'm here to tell you something good about to make money online, your online tech, anything that you need about finances. But I'm not a financial advice. I only do this for education purpose. And you know this is your first time being to this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel and join this family. This channel here help you to make some cool cash online. There is a new platform that has given us a benefit of doubt to be able to make some cool cash online, which if I even mention the name, you'll love it. Oh, it is not worldwide. This is only made for Ghanaians. If you know you are in Ghana today, just sit down, watch this video to the end and you will understand everything here. So just follow the prompt and let's go. Now I don't want to waste time. The name of this, Ghana Commercial Bank give us free money. That is what we are going to do. There is an app that they work with, their mobile banking app. So that app is where we are going to use to make our money. And this is like we're using one stone to kill two birds. The funny part is you create your own account, you have your own bank account, you will be the one to monetize it in the house and you'll be the one to control it while being in the house. Yet you do taxes, they'll pay you. Is it not cool? That is very nice and very fantastic. So please let us just jump into what you are doing. So if you are using an Android phone or ISO, even if you are using a Windows laptop, just go to your Play Store or your Microsoft Store or App Store to download Ghana Commercial Bank. Just go and type in Ghana Commercial Bank. So let me type mine. Now, I already have it down here. You see it? I have it. So what you have to do is you just scroll down like this. Now, they will show you two logos. We have the corporate one and we have the mobile app. So we are talking about the mobile app here. You see the mobile app here. So now, this mobile app is going to help you to make this cool cash. So just press on it and download. I already have it. When you finish downloading it, just launch it. Now when you type it, this is where to send you. They say welcome to the Ghana Commercial Bank mobile app. Now you come down, we have login number and this. It means those who already have an account, they are meant for this place. So if you are not having an account, you are not part. So we are going to register an account. Just stick to it and let's go. So down here, you can see down here where I am showing this thing, we are having registration. So just type on that and you register your account. They said innovative banking service. The GCB mobile app offers many banking services as well as payment services with the latest innovation. So you can scroll and read about them. Remote financial transactions. You can conduct financial transactions remotely and safely using a mobile device such as smartphone or tablet. Now you go again, fast, convenience and secure. So you come down here, you type on get started. Now we have the first one. How will you want to register? Which of the accounts do you want? Do you want bank account with Ghana card or you want G-Money? And the third one, don't you have any of the above? So if you don't have any of these above or you don't want any of them, that is what we are going to do. So open a GCB instant account. This is an instant account which is called a virtual account, which you are going to have of your own dealing with in the platform, and they'll give you a bank number. That's if you even register it in the bank, they'll give you, because there is going to be a verification in it. You verify your face, your passport will be given, and your Ghana card number will also be given. So it's definitely an account. So if you go to any branch, you can still use that one to deposit. So you create your own personal account and you can deposit money into it, and you can even do a lot of taxes. So let's just go. So you type the last one, you press next, you press next again, then you go. Here are the following criteria they need. The first one, you enter your phone number, you enter your email, enter your national ID. Now you come here and select the particular your title. Either you are Dr., Mr., Miss, Mrs., other places, so others, or place specific. So anything you want to choose. So I would like you to choose Mr. If you're a man, and if you're a woman, you choose what, Miss. So you just enter them and you continue. When you finish, there is a green box here. Just type on it. Means you have accepted the terms and conditions. You press the next down here. So it will move you to a space again. So you try to verify your face. Your OTP, which is to verify your number. So they'll send a code into your number. So you just type the code in, and the code lasts for 5 minutes before expiring. So you just type it in and you get verified. Then they'll move you to a space where you are going to show your face, and they'll take your face passport picture of your face. So you show all your face and they'll just scan it. When they finish, automatically your account will be registered. So you add your national Ghana, here, that's the Ghana card. So you add the Ghana card, you just type the number in. If you start to type, you type the GHA. Now when you want to type the number, you see they'll bring the dash of their own. So just type it that way. Everything enter and tap all the number and you go. So because of that, they'll check your Ghana card number and your face, so you know it is biometric. So when you finish, it will direct you to log in space like this. So it will come this way, and they'll text you message in your email and your number that you have registered a successful account, and here is your account number, which you can use to make deposit or anything you want. That will be your account number. If someone want to send you money, you can give the number out. That is your account number. Now let's continue. How do we make money here? Now how we make money here is by referrals. Let me jump into it first. So like me talking like this, I'll leave my referral code down there. So if you're registering your account, when you get to that site, before you log in, they'll ask you to enter the referral code. The person who refer you. Referral simply means the person you've heard this from, the person who tell you about them, the person that you've learned from them about them. So you enter something to show that this person was the one who introduced or instruct you to go and do such. So you just enter the code, and any transaction you make, they'll give me a commission out from it. And that is how you are also going to do it. When you give your referral code out, anyone who enter it in the referral box, you also earn a commission from it. And whenever you are logging in and logging out, you want to do any transaction, you can enter the referral code. So you can refer your own self. You can have two numbers, refer your own self. Now when you refer your own self, you use one as the earning one and use one as your business one. Whenever you want to buy airtime or anything to do, they'll pay you out from it when you use the referral link. So or you use the referral code. So let me log in into my account. So when you finish, this is how the interface will look like. Now I have already registered this is my account, and you've seen it. So this is my account. This is how it look like. So you come back here, it's like they have sent me message safe. So anything about it, you see, dear Jerry Ledger, Ghana Cedis one was debited from your account. So it was debited from your account to my number into my card as insurance fee for virtual card. So I'll teach you about that one too in a different video. So here is how it is that we make money. So here are the quick access. So if you want to do, we have transfer here, we have pay base here, we have buy airtime, we have mobile money here. So mobile money, if you want to do mobile money, this is it. So now you come down here, we have a lot of here are the messages. You have recent activities, and you go back to the flash ones, the old one. So here are the recent ones. So if you want to scan anything, you can use this one and scan. If it is payment card or anything you want to scan with this bank, you can do it. So down here we have home, we have payment here, we have card here, we have help, and we have more. So let's go. We want more. Now let me just put once. Investment and deposit. Investment and what? Deposit. This is one of the way you can make money here. You can invest in this bank, and you earn your money. You will not be going to the bank, you will not be going to and fro of it. You'll be in the house doing all. So when you type in the investment like this, they said tin deposit fund, a fixed period of interest. So you go and check them. So here is your account. The deposit period, we have 90 cedis, 182, we have 300 and this. So the last one, which is the biggest one, is what? 364. So let's pick this 91 and see the commission that will come out from it. The minimum amount should be 10,000, right? The minimum amount should be what? 10,000. So this is talking about your calculate what you can earn as all. So the interest or the rate is going to be this. So let me see. Because I don't have money, it's insufficient balance here. Insufficient. I don't have my money in it is 8 cedis. So and it is invalid. So it's like it begin from 9 cedis going. So insufficient balance. They said the minimum amount should be this. So you can calculate it. Now amount you will receive 9 cedi. This is your principal interest. So this is what you receive as an interest. So close on maturity, roll over principal amount, roll over any of them you want, you will choose. Then when you finish, you come back here, you choose any of them. When you finish, you come back here, you accept this prompt here, and you are good to go. Now we have the existing request. No one, because we don't have a one, and this is not why we are here. That is one of the way you can make money. We have the legal privacy policies and terms of use here. Now we have the lifestyle. That's the convenience access to your daily activities. So you can watch that one too. Now the referral one is what I want to talk about here. So these are other things you can do here, and next time we will talk about many of them. Here are their branches and a lot of things. So let me go back now. When you go to payment, pay base, instant cross.